Welcome people into another episode of Raw, Real and Wise podcast. So let's discuss about some highlight points from the flow book. I get some very interesting points from this book, and this is one suggestion. I very highly suggest you to read this one. This is an amazing book. Like let's discuss about this and some key core concepts from this book. First of first of all, one thing is that lack of focus is the reason behind not working on your dream goals that you aspire for. Your lack of focus is the main reason behind your lack in efforts, your lack in all the system that you are working on being totally lacked of, because you have a very low focus span due to, if you are involved in the social media thing, you are definitely having low focus thing, because this short term content and short instant gratifying things will screw up this thing. Our focus is being highly screwed up by this thing. And you know what this book talks about the flow state thing. What is a flow state? A flow state is a state in which your mind and body are so aligned in such a way that you are rewarded with the best outcomes and results. The best outcomes and results that you ever thought of are rewarded to you if you are being in a condition of flow state. Let's have an example on what this is flow state. And like when you saw in cricket the player Yuvraj hit six at constant 1 to 1 6 balls, and it was because of he was in flow state. He was so much in the flow. Like तुम भी बस कई बार होता होगा ना कि हाँ अब तो फॉर्म में आ गया हूँ, फॉर्म में फ्लो में आ गया हूँ. Though that's flow state, because your mind and body is so aligned to what you are doing, and to हद से ज़्यादा हद बढ़ा के आपके बॉडी और आपका माइंड आपको सपोर्ट कर रहा है उस सिचुएशन में. दैट्स द फ्लो स्टेट. एंड हाउ टू अचीव इट इन every situation that you work on, in our studies, in our hobbies, in our any type of thing that we are not fully capable working at fully that we are not working on our full capabilities that we should be and we must be. Like this book discuss about, in this book we get to know about the 4 pillars of flow state. 1, 2, 3, 4. First one is flow blockers, another is flow proneness, third is flow triggers, and fourth one is the flow cycle. Let's discuss them one by one. Like first, flow blockers. Like what are flow blockers? Blockers are anything that distracts you and are constraint between you and your flow state. You need to fix them. You need to fix them, or just need to remove them completely. Like these are obstacles that hinder your ability to enter or maintain a flow state. कुछ भी आपको डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर रहा है आपके फ्लो स्टेट में अंदर रहने से, या उसके पीछे बाधा बन रहा है, दैट इज अ फ्लो ब्लॉकर. लाइक जैसे कुछ समस्या एग्जांपल, जैसे डिस्ट्रैक्शन हो गया आपकी एंजाइटी, बोर्डम, लैक ऑफ क्लियर गोल्स, इनसफिशिएंट फीडबैक, नेगेटिव माइंडसेट, ओवरवेलमिंग कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी और सोशल डिस्ट्रप्शंस, etc etc, all are in a category of flow blockers, and you need to either fix them or remove them. That's simple. Like for example, if you are studying at home and your family members are maybe disturbing you or something like that, your small brother sister are disturbing you all the time, you may ask them or ask your parents to keep them out from your room. Or if your phone may be distraction to you, use some blocker type of things, or totally put it away. Or the best thing is to switch it off and throw it in another room. That's the thing that you can do. And this is the flow blocker number 1. Either fix it or just totally remove it. Another, flow proneness. Flow proneness is that means your ability to achieve flow state. The condition of flow state is achieved. Your at present capability to achieve and be in that flow state. This is the flow proneness. The tendency or ability of an individual to experience the flow frequently. Like some of the examples or triggers, factors. Factors is a good word. Factor are like high intrinsic motivation, the motivation that comes from inner, not from the outer that you watch on YouTube or other platform things. Like no, that's external motivation. But I'm talking about high intrinsic motivation, जो अंदर से आती है. That's the type of thing. Second is curiosity. You are curious about something. Another is goal orientation, and other is our ability to focus and manage changes effectively, not very distracted by, or like if you are stuck in a situation and you are like you are not improving at your current state, but you just leave the hope totally, and you are not trying to improve that. That's shitty thing. You must try on and on. You will eventually improve. You must keep this thing in your mind that you are gonna improve eventually if you keep trying. But if you stop at that point, you are gonna stuck at that point. That's the thing. So this is about flow proneness, your ability to be in the flow state, your frequency to be in the flow state. That's the thing. And we talk about the third thing is flow triggers. What are flow triggers? Flow triggers are the conditions or the factors that facilitate the एंट्री इनटू द फ्लो स्टेट, जो आपके फ्लो स्टेट में आपको एंटर करवाने में सहायता करते हैं उस टाइप से, लाइक योर क्लियर माइंडसेट टुवर्ड्स योर क्लियर गोल्स, योर इमीडिएट फीडबैक, a balance between your challenge and skill, your deep focus, and your supportive environment. These are the things that come under flow triggers. And fourth thing is the flow cycle. The flow cycle is the main thing, that you are in that flow of your work and how to be in that flow. These are of this flow cycle. There are 4 subtypes. The 4 subtypes are struggle, release, flow, and recovery. These are the 4 parts. The flow state, the flow cycle, the process through which the individuals enter, sustain, and exit the flow state. This includes your entering, your be in that flow state, and your out from that flow states. Like struggle, the initial effort or frustration before flow. You are trying constantly, trying to be yourself in that flow, making a rhythm, that kind of thing. That's part 1 of the flow cycle. Another part is letting go of conscious efforts, allowing into enter. And now you are tried a lot, and you are now in a constant flow. You are constant flow to getting in the flow state. That's the step 2. You are the transition between the struggle and the flow thing. That is the part 2, release. Third one is flow, deep engagement and optimal performance. You are in the flow state, your work is going smoothly, and you are deeply in your work and constantly focusing on the thing that you are currently deep dived into the work that you are doing. That's the flow. And fourth part is after your flow, that's recovery, rest and relaxation of the flow and experience. Now you take some rest or some break kind of thing, and you recover from the flow state, the energy that is used in that flow thing. Now you are being recharged, your mind is being recharged to start another flow cycle. That's the thing. These are the 4 pillars. If we systemize our schedule and our system of working based on this flow state, we will be highly optimized and highly optimistic and getting our work done in a great manner. That's the thing. And I also got some great quotes from this book. One or two quotes that I like the most are like, to achieve and control over what happens in our lives, we need to concentrate on the present, not the past or not the future. That's the thing. We must, if we think about what's your time spent, you watched shorts for 2 hours, you watched reels for 2 hours. Now you are regretting upon that why you did so and so. You think about it. Are not you wasting current time also upon regretting upon what you did? Isn't that the thing? You are wasting your time just thinking about that you wasted time. And that's the thing we need to understand, is that instead upon regretting, we must start working on what we should work on, to not fuck up the time that is being now fucked up by just regretting. That's the thing. And another thing is, you can choose to be happy or unhappy, changing how you think, your mindset. And when you, like Marcus Aurelius also says that happiness is a choice. If you choose to be happy, you are happy, and if you not, you are not. So these are some key concepts, key things, and key learnings from the flow book. There are many other ideas and many other great things from the flow book. I also suggest you to read this book. That's very impressive book I read, and very highly informative things and highly impactful things we get to know from this book. That's the thing. So it's all enough for today. Write these things down on a pen paper. That will more help you and structure your next schedule and your next system in a very effective manner. That's enough for today. Let's meet in some another episode of Raw, Real and Wise podcast. Till then, keep working and पीस आउट, बाय।